Hey guys, Nimboso here with our video number 7 on Cheat Engine tutorial following the Cheat Engine tutorial. This time we're getting further into pointers with a multi-level pointer. The last one was a single level, so we had our static that pointed to our address where our value is held. In most real-world cases you will not find that. You'll have to go through a couple levels because the way that the game points to your memory. So this value here, we'll call it our health, at 2317 will be our health, which belongs to our player class, which belongs to an entity list, which belongs to our game class. So we need to work our way all the way back to that game class, because the very first structure that holds all these values will be our static one. So same as last time, we take this, we want to find out what accesses it, change our value. We have ESI plus 18. 18 is our offset in this case, and we want our ESI here. Copy it, search for it, make sure you're searching with hex, and we have one address here. So this address points at ESI, which is our player base. So right now that points to our player base, and our health is at an offset of 18. 18. So if this is health, this is health level 1 pointer, and you can see this points to that address. So far so good. Change it a couple times, looks like it works. So now we just do that again, find out what accesses this pointer. Do it again, take the top instruction. There's no real way to tell 100% which one will be the correct one. I usually just take this one, take the top one, it's easiest. We have ESI with no offset. Grab ESI, copy that, and same as last time, search for it. So we know this here points to that value, so we can grab it, copy it, add our address with our 0 offset, which this here now points to our player base. So when we add that second offset at 18, it points, this here points to our entity list here, which then points to our player, and the 18 offset, that would be our player there, and the 18 offset points to our health. There it is. You can see it's the same value pointed to as the other pointer. So we have a health level 2. And same as last time, find out what accesses it. 2. Okay. It is our ESI plus 14. So we grab ESI right there. We know our offset's 14 this time. Scan. This points to our ESI, which we can call our what was it, entity list? Whatever, I kind of just made that up on the fly. It's not super important what it is. We can figure that out after we do a lot more reversing, but that's way beyond the scope of this. So that was 14, I believe, which points to that, was 0, which points to this one, bringing us all the way back to, again, our health at a level 3. So, last but not least, we can find out what accesses that one. Right there. Oh, no. That's ESI plus 0C, 0C being our offset. Again, copy that. Search for that now. You can see that's green, that means that's our static. So if we take that, copy that address, add our pointer, add that, we had 0C, then we had 14, then 0, then 18. You can of course use Notepad or a whiteboard or anything you want to write down these offsets. You don't need to remember them. They're also all stored in here still. In case you forget, it's still easy to get back to what you had. That there is gone. This is our health level 4 pointer, and again it's static, so it should stay the same if we change our pointer. So let's try. Change our pointer, it now gives us a value of 914, which is the same as that value. And all these don't point to anything of interest now because we reassigned everything. Those you can get rid of. This here is our pointer that actually points to our player's health. Now what we're looking for here is freeze it at 5,000. So we'll take our value, 5,000, freeze it, and change our value. Doesn't matter because this resets it to 5,000. So we change our pointer, wait those 3 seconds. It checks it. The value is 5,000 because Cheat Engine is constantly changing it. And that's it. There's our pointer to our player's health.